Hello my dear students, welcome to IMSHA Academy. In this video, we are going to study the next part of probability. We had stopped in the first part till here. Now, example 6. Savita and Hamida are friends. What are the probability that both will have different birthday, same birthday, ignoring the leap year? So, they have different birthday we have to calculate and same birthday. Okay, out of two friends, one girl says Savita's birthday can be any day of the year, right? It can be any day, 10, 20, 25, 5, whatever it is. Okay, we don't know that. Now Hamida's birthday can also be any day in 365 days. We assume that 365 outcomes are equally likely. If Hamida's birthday is different from Savita's birthday, the number of favorable outcomes for her birthday is 365 minus 1. Right? So why 365 days? Because in a year there are 365 days. So her birthday there can be any possibility that it will come in 365 days. Any day in 365 days. So when it comes to Hamida, okay, different from Savita means if Savita's birthday is any date, okay, 1 of January, then in 365 days we have to remove one day, that is January 1, right? So it will be 364 days. Out of 364 days, Hamida's birthday can be any date in 364 days. So okay, now we'll see the event happening, means the birthday will be on same date. For that we have to minus E of happening event, right? The formula is P of E. The event not happening is equals to 1 minus P of E, the event happening. So what is the event happening? That is P of E bar E dash is equals to 1 minus P of E, right? So P of E bar is nothing but 364 divided by 365 is equals to 1 minus event happening, that is birthday on the same date. Okay, so when we bring this right hand side it becomes minus, and when we bring this left hand side it becomes plus. So it will be P of E is equals to 1 minus 364 divided by 365. Okay, now cross multiplication. Okay, now we will cross multiply. See here, 1 into 365, that is 365 minus 364 into 1, nothing is there means 1 is there, 364 divided by 365. So answer will be 365 minus 64 is 1. 1 divided by 365 is the answer. I hope it is clear. Moving to the next question. There are 40 students in class 10th of the school, of whom 25 are girls. How many are girls? 25 are girls, 15 are boys. Out of 45, 25 are girls, 15 are boys. Okay, these are girls and these are boys. The class teacher has to select one student as a class representative. She writes the name each of the students on a separate card. The cards being identical, then she puts card in a bag and stir them thoroughly. She then draws one card from the bag. What is the probability that the name written on the card is the name of a girl and a boy? So the probability of getting the card, the name is girl, is 25 by 40. Because 25 girls are there, right? See here, the number of all possible outcome is 40. We know that because 40 students are there, so total outcome is 40. So the number of outcome favorable for the card that the name is girl is 25, because 25 girls are there, so favorable is 25. The number of outcomes this is done, therefore P, card of name of the girl, that is event E. Okay, card with name of a girl is the event. So probability of this event happening, that is P of girl, is equals to 25 by 40, as I said, because 25 girls are there, 40 total students are there. So 25 by 40 is 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, right? So 5 by 8. Similarly, for boys also we can write 15 by 40 because 15 boys are there in the class of 40 students. So 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40, 3 by 8. So you can either take the boys value or girls value, right? And you can minus it. If you have already got the girls value, right? How many girls are there, and the probability of a representative being a girl is 5 by 8. So it directly means that event not happening, right? Boys will not be a representative. So minus it from the total probability. The total probability is 1. 1 minus 5 by 8 is 3 by 8. Clear? 1 minus 5 by 8. 1 minus 5 by 8, that is 8 is the LCM. 8 ones are 8 minus 5, that is 5 minus 8 is 8 minus 5 is 3, and here 8, 3 by 8. Clear? Next, 8th question. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. If a marble is drawn at a random from the box, we don't know which marble we are picking, we are not seeing it, okay? Randomly we are picking one marble. What is the probability that it will be white ball, blue and red? So white, blue there are 3, white there are 2, red there are 4. Total how many marbles are there? 9 marbles are there. 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9. Total 9 marbles are there. What is the probability of picking a white marble? How many white are there? 2, right? 2 by 9 is the probability of getting the white marble. Blue, how many are there? 3. 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 1 by 3. Okay. And similarly, red marble, how many are there? Red marble, 4 are there, red marble. So 4 by 9. Okay, these are the answer. When you add them, note that P of white, P of blue and P of R, that event of happening the marble to be white, to be blue or to be red is totally 1. So we will check that. Okay. So 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 9. So the LCM will be 3 comma 9, right? 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. The LCM will be 9. So 9 ones are 9, right? 2 ones are 2 plus 3 threes are 9, 1 threes are 3 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 9. That is 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. The probability is 1. I hope it is clear to you. Moving to the next example question. Harpreet tossed 2 different coins simultaneously. Say one of 1 rupees and other of 2 rupees. What is the probability she get at least one head? See, 2 coins are tossed. So what are the probabilities? See here. One coin contain head. Okay. First coin 1, coin 2. There is a probability that both the coins are of head, both the coin of tail, and one is head. Coin 1 is head, 2 is tail. Coin 2 is tail, coin 1 is tail, coin 2 is head. So these are the total probabilities can happen, right? Either both will be head, both will be tail, one is head, one is tail, one is tail, one is head. So what they are asking, at least one is head. At least one is head means at least one is head means out of these two, right? So the outcome favorable for the event E, at least one is head, is R head. Okay, this is also there, head. Okay, so head tail or tail head. The number of outcome favorable for event E is 3 because 3 outcomes are there. At least one head means it is head, one head is there, here also one head, here also one head. So at least one should be head, both coin will be tossed. So both are tail means it cannot be used in this example. So it should be at least one coin should be head. Okay, they have said at least means both the coins can also be head, but at least means at least one coin, 1 rupees coin or 2 rupees coin should fall on head side up. Therefore, P of event E is 3 by 4. So now the probability of Harpreet get at least one head is 3 by 4. So what can you find P of E as follow? 1 minus 1 by 4 total outcomes, that is 3 by 4. Like this also you can solve, but this is the simplest way to solve. I hope it is clear. Next question. In a musical chair game, a person playing the music has been advised to stop playing the music at any time within 2 minutes after she starts playing. What is the probability that the music will stop within the first half minute after starting? See here the possible outcomes are all the number between 0 to 2 minutes, right? This is the portion of the number line from 0 to 2. So this is number line, okay. Here it will be 0, positive side, right? So I'll not take the negative side. So 1, 2, 3, but we have to stop till 1, 2. This line they have given us, okay. So first half minute means here, right? So let E be the event of music is stopped within the first half minute. The outcome favorable to E are point of the number line 0 to half minute, means 0 to half it can stop anywhere between or at the half. So distance from 0 to 2 is 2, right? Well, the distance from 0 to half is half. Since the all outcomes are equally likely, we can argue that the total distance of 2, the distance favorable for the event E is 1 by 2. Because distance favorable for the event E is 1 by 2 and the total outcome is 2. So 1 by 2 divided by 2. So it will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. When 2 will come up, it becomes reciprocal of that. So the answer is 1 by 4. I hope this is clear to you. See the next question. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region. What is the probability that is crashed inside the lake? So this is the rectangular portion. Okay. So they are asking what is the probability that it is crashed inside the lake. Okay. The helicopter is equally likely to crash anywhere in the region. The entire region where the helicopter can crash is 45 into 9, because 45 in the width and this is 9 kilometer. 4.5 into 9, sorry, not 45, 4.5 into 9 kilometer. So it can crash anywhere, right? Here we cannot take this value because the lake value they have deducted from here. So 45 into 9, that is 9 5s are 45, 5 carry 4, 9 4s are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40.5, okay, kilometer square. So the area of the lake is, see here, 2 we have to remove from 4.5, that is 2.5, right? 2.5 into 6 kilometer we have to remove means 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. So this remaining part is 3. 2.5 into 3. Okay, that is 7.5 kilometer. Therefore, helicopter crash in the lake is 7.5 divided by 40.5, because the whole kilometer is of whole area is of 40.5 kilometer. So it can crash in lake. The possibility of the plane is crashed in the lake is 7.5 divided by 40.5. Okay, when we remove these points, it will be 75 divided by 405. So 15 5s are 75, 15 2s are 30, 10 is remaining, 15 7s are 105. So the answer is 5 divided by 27. Okay. Next question. A cartoon consists of 100 shirts, of which 88 are good, 8 have minor defects and 4 have major defects. Jimmy, a trader, will only accept the shirts which are good, but Sujata, another trader, will only reject the shirt which have major defects. One shirt is drawn randomly from the cartoon. What is the probability that it is acceptable to Jimmy and it is acceptable to Sujata? So, what Sujata is not accepting is minor defects and major defects. Not accepting. Okay. And what Jimmy is not accepting is only major defects. So one shirt is drawn randomly from the cartoon. 100 shirts are there. Therefore, there are 100 equal likely outcomes. The number of outcomes favorable to accepted by Jimmy is 88. So 88 by 100 is 20. Point is after 2 digits, that is 0.88. Similarly, the number of outcome favorable to Sujata is 88 plus 8 because he is accepting minor defects. So 8 shirts have minor defects, so plus 8, that is 96. 96 divided by total shirts are 100, so 0.98. I hope it is clear. 96. I hope it is clear. These are very simple questions. If you have any doubt in these questions, please comment below. I will clarify those doubts. I will make video on those doubts and I will upload it. Two dice, one blue, one grey, are thrown at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8, 13, less than or equal to 12? So, two dice are thrown. Okay. So, two dice are thrown, one blue and one grey. This is blue dice, this is grey dice, are thrown at same time. Write down the possible outcome. What is the probability that the sum of two numbers, when we add these numbers which is appearing on the top face, is first is 8. See here, when the dice are thrown, okay, this is grey dice, 6 outcomes of grey dice and 6 outcomes of blue dice. Okay. So, if it is 1 1, it cannot be 8. 1 2, it cannot be 8. First die 1 1, see here, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Okay. Second, like that only, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Like that, 2 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. This first number represent the blue and second number represent the grey die. Okay. So, what are the possibility that it will be 8 number? See here, blue and grey, right? If blue is 6, grey is 2. If blue is 2, grey is 6. If blue is 4, grey is 4, right? If blue is 5, grey is 3. If blue is 3, grey is 5. So, these are the some possible outcomes, right? So, these are the some possible values in which the total number will be equals to 8. Note that the pair 1, 4 is different from 4, 1. Why? Because 1, 4 means what? Just 1, 4 just an example, okay, for the understanding. You can take 3, 1 also for understanding. 1, 4 is different from 4, 1 because this is die 1, that is blue, this is die 2, that is grey. Okay, like this is blue, this is gray. Okay, so next is the outcome favorable for the event, the sum of two number 8 is denoted by event E. So the outcomes are 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2. The number of outcomes favorable is 5. 5 values are there. So 5 by 36. Why 36? Because total it is 36 values, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 6 is 36 values are there. So total outcome is 36. For the event it can occur is 5 outcome, 5 by 36. So next is, as you can see from the example 13 figure for 15.3, there is no outcome favorable to the event F. The sum of two number is 13, because it cannot be 13, right? The maximum is 6 plus 6, that is 12. So 0 by 36 equals to 0. As you can see, from all the outcomes are favorable to the event G, sum of two number is less than 12 is, all are less than 12, right? Less than or equal to 12. 6 is 12. So less than or equal to 12, right? So it is 36 by 36 is equals to 1. So this completes the chapter. We will solve exercise in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, comment below and share with your classmates, your friends who is studying in class 10th. Or in my channel there are other videos also which has which contain the chapters of class 9th, 8th and other degree students chapters, etc. So whoever is there, your friends or family members, please share those videos with them. Thanks for watching.